other sort of main dealio we need to understand is the intercepts. And when it comes to linear equations, well, there's going to be probably most of the time 2 points at which the equation or the graph will intercept the axes. And so, of course, we have the y-intercept, and we also have the x-intercept, and that is where the line crosses the y-axis for the y-intercept and the x-axis for the x-intercept. So how do we go about finding the intercepts? Well, first we need to just go through a little bit of theory. So talking about the y-intercept first, right? What C is. When it comes to finding the y-intercept or the x-intercept, we have to understand how the Cartesian plane actually works. Okay, so say we're here, we're going further along the x-axis in the positive direction through the right. What happens to the numbers? They go 1, 2, 3, don't they? And then on the other side, they go -1, -2, -3. Now, of course, the Cartesian plane, right, the two axes, is just it's just two number lines that are at right angles to one another. And so for this side of the y-axis, right, the x values are all positive, aren't they? And for the left side of the y-axis, all the x values are negative. And what's in between negative and positive values on a number line? Well, it's 0. At the y-intercept, this is the statement that we're going to memorize. At the y-intercept, x equals 0 every single time. And then same thing for the y-axis. Well, as we go up the y-axis, the numbers go 1, 2, 3, don't they? As we go down, it goes -1, -2, -3. So above the x-axis is positive for y, and below the x-axis is negative for y. And so therefore, in between positive and negative, remember our number line is 0. So that is what we have to understand. So at the x-int, or x-intercept for short, semicolon y equals 0. And then at the y-int, guess what x equals? It also equals 0.